Welcome to the best picks. The best electric scooter is probably one of the most convenient and eco-friendly ways to get around. Designed for adults up to 300 pounds, these scooters offer a blend of portability and power. In this video, we'll dive into the top electric scooters, exploring their features, performance, and what makes them stand out in the crowded market. Number 5. AovoPro ES80 electric scooter, 19 miles per hour, 19 miles. This is the AovoPro ES80 electric scooter. It's designed for adults and perfect for commuting. It offers a blend of power and portability. The 350W motor allows it to reach speeds up to 19 miles per hour. The battery provides a range of up to 19 miles. It can also handle a max load of 264 pounds. The scooter features bright headlights for enhanced visibility. It also has a double braking system, including disc brakes and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking. This helps ensure a safe ride. The AovoPro ES80 folds up easily for storage. You can put it in car trunks and other compact spaces. It's ideal for both commuting and travel. Connect to the AovoPro app to customize your ride. You can lock the scooter and adjust acceleration and braking responses. It offers smart features for a better experience. After running at a certain speed for 30 seconds, it will automatically drive at a constant speed. You can also drive without pressing the accelerator button. This mode can be released by braking. The AovoPro ES80 is built for performance and reliability. It's your best companion for commuting or outdoor travel. It also comes with 24-hour customer service. What we like. This scooter's app control is a game changer. It allows you to customize your ride and lock the scooter for security. If you value convenience and control at your fingertips, you should consider this one. What people say. It had 81% battery life on the battery out the box, and it took about an hour and a half to charge it to 100%. I linked the app super easy with its built-in Bluetooth on the scooter. I set my settings the way I wanted them and custom set the speed to its max in sport mode to 19 miles per hour. Number 4. Hurtle Hers 18 M5 Folding Electric Scooter. This scooter is designed for adults and kids alike. It features a powerful 300W brushless motor, allowing it to reach speeds up to 19 miles per hour and travel up to 18 miles on a single charge. The scooter's folding design makes it incredibly convenient. You can easily transport and store it in various spaces, making it perfect for commuting or quick trips. Safety is a priority with this scooter. It includes hand-activated brakes, an LED front light, and a red tail light for braking, ensuring a safe ride, day or night. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the 8.5-inch pneumatic tires. These tires provide excellent shock absorption, allowing the scooter to handle uneven surfaces with ease. Stay informed with the LED display. It shows your current speed, speed mode, battery life, and more. It can support up to 264 pounds and tackles 15-degree hills. What we like. The foldable design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. It's perfect for commuters who need a scooter that can go anywhere. If you are looking for a convenient and portable option, this is the one for you. What people say. The LED lighting was awesome. There are 3 speeds to this scooter. Extremely simple setup, instructions were very well outlined and very minimal assembly required. The LED light is really bright and does a great job. We tested it the night that we got it. The 3 speeds is really nice, and it actually gets to the top speed as advertised really quickly. It is really well built and looks like it is going to last a long time, including the tires that are solid. The braking system is fantastic. That was one of the deciding factors as well. Number 3. EVERCROSS EV10K Pro Electric Scooter. This is the EVERCROSS EV10K Pro Electric Scooter. It's designed for convenience and performance, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures. It's a smart way to get around. With the Bluetooth-connected EVERCROSS Pro app, you can control the scooter easily. You can lock it, control the cruise function, and monitor your speed and distance. It puts you in control. The scooter features a 500W brushless motor, reaching speeds up to 19 miles per hour. The high-quality battery provides a range of up to 22 miles. This ensures a long and enjoyable ride. Enjoy a smooth ride with 10-inch honeycomb solid tires and dual shock absorption. The electronic and disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. It's designed for your safety and comfort. The LED dashboard shows your speed, mode, and battery life. One button controls all riding operations, making it simple to use. It's user-friendly and easy to understand. This scooter folds down for easy carrying and storage. It's lightweight and perfect for students or office workers. It's designed for your convenience. To reach the top speed of 19 miles per hour, connect to the mobile app or press the power button 6 times. It's easy to unlock its full potential. What we like. With its dual shock absorption and large tires, this scooter offers a smooth and comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads. If you like a comfortable riding experience, you should consider this one. What people say. The scooter is made up of solid steel component and nicely finished. Wires are designed in such a way that it will not be an obstruction. The product is very sturdy and easily hold up to 300 pounds. The honeycomb wheels are strong and are connected to the shocker. When I rode the scooter, I was surprised by the speed it provided. I could achieve max of 29 km/h. There is a feature to hold the cruise with the speed that I want. I would say that it has great power and provided me with a good range as compared to other scooter that I have tried. What stands out with this product is the connectivity. It took me less than 1 minute to connect to the Bluetooth with the app and access the features like navigation, lock system, speed, range display, performance and battery range. It has everything that I need to operate and optimize. It takes 2 seconds to fold the handle and ready to be carried anywhere. The build quality is really good. Everything arrived the way it should, almost fully assembled, brakes properly adjusted, battery mostly charged. Everything on this scooter is solid and well put together. The acceleration is gentle, but you can sure feel the power. The brakes also work well and aren't too sensitive, which is good. I am 150 pounds and was amazed that this scooter will only lose a couple km/h of speed going up steep hills or in really strong wind, over 50 km/h. The headlight works well at providing enough light at night to see obstacles and be seen. The cell phone app is super easy to use and pair with the scooter but is not needed for any features to work, other than park lock mode. The battery life is phenomenal, lasting far longer than I anticipated, easily covering 25+ miles on a single charge without losing power. This makes it perfect for commuting or weekend adventures. The performance is top-notch, with a smooth, quiet ride and impressive speed. Acceleration is quick and steady, and it handles inclines effortlessly. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, giving me full confidence on the road. Another standout feature is its intuitive controls and display. Everything is easy to understand and operate, even for beginners. The scooter also folds down easily, making it convenient to store or carry. Number 2. NAVEE V40 Electric Scooter. This is the NAVEE V40 electric scooter. It boasts a powerful 700W motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. It's designed for both performance and convenience. The V40 prioritizes safety with UL 2272 certification. It features a dual braking system for stable stops and an auto-sensing headlight for visibility. This scooter is designed to keep you safe. Enjoy a smooth ride with the 10-inch pneumatic tires. These tires provide excellent obstacle surpassing ability, making your commute comfortable. They also offer a maintenance-free experience. The V40 is equipped with a 280 Wh battery, offering a range of up to 25 miles. This allows you to easily handle your daily commute. It's a reliable choice for everyday use. Stay informed with the LED display, showing speed and battery life. The scooter also supports app control for features like electric lock and riding data tracking. It offers a smart and connected riding experience. Weighing 36 pounds, the V40 is easily foldable for portability. You can take it anywhere with ease. It even has a hiding place for an AirTag for tracking. NAVEE offers US-based 24H online service. It provides a 30-day money-back guarantee and a warranty on different parts. Please refer to the user manual for more details. What we like. This scooter is UL 2272 certified, ensuring safety and reliability. It also has a powerful motor and long range. If you value safety and need a scooter for daily commuting, you should consider it. What people say. The 700W motor gives a smooth ride, hitting speeds up to 20 miles per hour and handling inclines like a champ. The 10-inch tires absorb bumps well, so even rough roads feel comfortable. The battery life is solid, getting me around 28 miles per charge, which is more than enough for daily rides. Number 1. Hiboy V1 Pro Electric Scooter for Adults. This scooter is UL LLC certified, perfect for city commuters. It includes a detachable seat and basket for comfort, and its IPX4 water-resistant battery ensures reliable use even in light rain. The scooter features front drum and rear disc brakes, providing responsive stops at high speeds. A 450W gear motor allows it to easily handle hills with up to a 15 degrees incline. With a 48V10A battery, it offers a 31-mile range on a single charge. It charges fully in just 5 hours, which is 30% faster than standard chargers, eliminating any range anxiety. Equipped with 14-inch pneumatic tires and dual suspension, it absorbs most road shocks. This feature boosts stability by 50%, ensuring a smooth ride on various surfaces. A high-strength steel frame supports up to 220 pounds. It folds down to 47 inches for easy storage, making it ideal for commutes, city rides, and family trips. What we like. This scooter's detachable seat and long range make it ideal for longer commutes and relaxed rides. It's designed for comfort and convenience. If you like a comfortable ride with a long range, you should consider this one. What people say. Large 16 wheels ride very smooth and are much safer than my old 8 wheels. Pneumatic tires absorb small bumps and soften large bumps. The footbed is wide so you can ride with your feet next to each other. The parallel stance is the best stance you can ride in, and this scooter is specifically designed to be ridden that way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.